Airtel Thanks App is your one-stop shop designed to improve your experience. Now easily manage your services and get help for all your Airtel services. Pay utility bills, buy new services and products, all with just a click of a button. Open the Airtel Thanks App and log in using your mobile number. Enter your Airtel mobile number or the mobile number registered with the Airtel services. Enter the 4-digit OTP received. This is the Manage screen of the app. You can easily manage all of your Airtel services via this screen. Clicking on the Services tab will give you access to all the services opted by you. Scroll down to shortcuts to find direct buttons to recharge, pay bills, claim OTTs and much more. Click on the Pay button located at the bottom of the app to access Pay feature. Just click on the QR code and scan to pay. Click on More. You can easily pay your electricity, water and other bills through the Utilities section and book a cylinder too. Buy any Airtel service like broadband, financial service like credit cards, opening an Airtel payment bank account and much more just by clicking on the shop icon located at the bottom of your screen. Get immediate assistance by tapping on the help option on the home screen of the Airtel Thanks app and click on Chat Now. Airtel cares. We are here to help.